Transforming challenges into opportunity has been a trademark of India. India has emerged as a forerunner in underscoring the requisite role of science and technology. It has brought positive transformations for a safe and secure society, well prepared for the future. India has leapfrogged into one of the top science and tech nations and has attained laudable positions in various domains of science, technology, and innovations. Indian government's Department of Science and Technology has provided the largest research and development support in the country. It has strengthened national science and tech capability through a competitive mode to scientists cutting across institutions and disciplines. According to the Global Innovation Index, India has featured within the top 50 innovative economies globally. The country is a key mover of efforts in vaccine research, development, supply, and global partnership on artificial intelligence. It is worth mentioning that in the year 2020, India was elected as chair of the World Health Organization's Executive Board. Department of Science and Technology's programs like Nidhi and Manak have made some major impacts on India's innovation ecosystem. Manak means Million Minds Augmenting National Aspiration and Knowledge. It is a national program implemented by the Ministry of Science and Technology and thrusts on original ideas, having potential to address societal needs through science and technology. The scheme targets 10 lakh ideas from 5 lakh schools across the country every year. The year 2020 to 2021 marks 6,53,000 entries from 36 states and union territories to inspire awards Manak. Besides Manak, Nidhi is an umbrella program of the National Initiative for Developing and Harnessing Innovations. It aims to nurture startups through scouting, supporting, and scaling innovations. And its major component is Nidhi Technology Business Incubator, converting innovations to startups. This will gain more clarity through a startup story supported under Nidhi TBI. Robotics Spheres Private Limited is a KIIT Bhubaneswar incubating company established to develop real-time tracking, monitoring, and alert system for automobile industry. The company was supported under Nidhi program with a fund of 10 lakhs for market validation and scale-up in 2013. In April 2020, the company raised a Series D investment of $25 billion with over 300 employees. Let's get to know India's global achievements in the field of research and development. The year 2020 to 2021 has been a year of international bilateral cooperation and partnerships for the country. India has active bilateral science and technology programs of cooperation with more than 46 countries, including dedicated programs for Africa, ASEAN, BRICS, European Union, and neighboring countries. India has promoted technology acceleration and commercialization through the India-Ethiopia Innovation Program. The country has gone extra miles to conduct special COVID-19 initiatives, where enabling teams of Indian and US scientists are currently engaged in COVID-related research to carry out joint research activities. Now, let's dive into India's progressing human capacity building and overseas exposure visits. The first ever Shanghai Cooperation Organization Young Scientist Conclave was successfully hosted virtually by India. The conclave was inaugurated by Dr. Harshvardhan and was attended by about 200 participants, including 67 young scientists and students nominated from SCO member states. 19 Indian participants participated virtually in the 5th edition of the BRICS Young Scientist Conclave, organized by Russia. India has awarded 54 fellowships to researchers from developing countries in various fields of science and technology. Besides being a common platform of research and sharing, India has truly followed the Atmanirbhar approach and is consistently progressing in the field of nanoscience and nanotechnology. India's NanoVision program, initiated by the Department of Science and Technology, has fostered, promoted, and developed all aspects of nanoscience and nanotechnology. The mission has created skilled human resources and has built infrastructure of nano labs at several institutes spread across the country. India's notable achievement in the field include invention of a new nanomedicine for the treatment of invasive triple-negative breast cancer technology, and India have walked hand in hand with technology. Even during COVID times, our nation led a victorious march in the field of innovations and startups. India has made the greatest contributions to mankind. Individual zero doesn't have any value. And the same would have been the fate of the world if India wouldn't have come up with the concept of zero. We will be back with more information. Thanks for watching.